technology? What were the promises of technology early on, and how have those promises been fulfilled? Because I felt like during that tech talk, you had a lot of great ideas that we as partners, we should be talking about these things too with clients and not just, hey, should we move from an E3 to an E5? And what are the features of an E3 to E5? Like, no, 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 take a step back, take a breath. So what are your thoughts? Because I thought you had a lot of great ideas during that TED talk.
Yeah, so that was a TEDx talk in here in Portland. It's one of the top three TED Talk things. There's like, there's TED Talk, small town, or TED Talk community college. This was a big one. It's about 4,000 people in the Keller Auditorium in Portland. It took 7 months to prepare for a 10-minute talk, which was stressful. I'm glad it's out of my brain. And I talked about the technology. I was going to call it the tech lies that we believed, but I changed it to the tech promises we believed. And the idea was that tech promised us connection with other humans. It promised us convenience. It promised us creativity. And I added one at the end of the thing that I said it promised us community. And, sometimes I think, unchecked capitalism can can mess up those things. And it's not tech that is going to be the problem. It's going to be how society reacts to the tech, right? Hammers can build buildings, and hammers can hurt people. So I think that all of us partners and alike should be thinking about, is the thing that we're making someone's life better? If it is, the profit will work itself out. But is it making someone's life better? So I use one of the examples of my open source artificial pancreas that I have a community that I'm a member of. So it manages my type 1 diabetes. I talk about what does true convenience mean. I made a joke that I thought AI was going to give me Fridays off. 10x productivity, I think, is an unreasonable expectation, but I think that being happier at work, being able to focus on creative work and have AI do the boring stuff like write reports and fill out my expenses is what I think will make our lives better. So the goal is to focus on the human at the core, human in the loop AI, I think is really important.